Hi friends, today we are on tutorial day 3. Today we are going to see two attractive features from our interactive TV. One is how to use the multi-screen in the interactive TV. Multi-screen on ITV in short. Then how to protect your eyes from the interactive TV. Protection of eyes. So these two features we are going to see on day 3 tutorial. First of all, I am going to show multi-screen on ITV. Click on this, then go to options. So here you can find a split screen. So to enable a split screen, you have to open another application on your window. Two applications have to be run on your window. So I am going to open Finder. So now two applications running on the ITV. So now I am going to make a split screen. So now we are done with the split screen. You can swap the screens what you want. This is the one window, then this is a second window. So two screens on the split screen. Option. So today we are done with how to use the multi-screen technology in ITV. Now I am moving to the So now I am moving to the next tutorial today, that is how to protect the eyes from the how to enable eye protection option in the ITV. Okay, so I am going to close the application. So I am going to finish off the model. So I just make a tick mark. ITV done. Now I am going to go for the eye protection. So to find the eye protection, you have to explore to the options button. So I'm going to rub the screen number entered 1. So now we are going to see eye protection. So to get the eye to enable the eye protection in the ITV, we have to move to the options, choose the icon. So in this there is an option called eye care. You can enable it. Okay, once you enable it, your the eye care protection will be enabled in the ITV. Now you are on the complete protection mode. So for today's one we are done. Tomorrow we will come up with another attractive features of ITV on day 4.